How much should you actually spend on a bird bath? It's a bit interesting because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. Today, we're digging into the best options that really deliver for your garden. Product number 1, Backyard Expressions Bird Bath. The Backyard Expressions Outdoor Garden Bird Bath caught my eye immediately with its lovely mint green finish. Priced at just $30.99, it's one of the best sellers out there for a reason. If you want a stylish, sturdy bird bath that will attract feathered friends, this is worth a serious look. So here's why it solves your problem. This bird bath is made from a weather-resistant polyresin that can handle rain, sun, and fluctuating temperatures without fading or cracking. The 21-inch wide basin is spacious enough for multiple birds to splash around, which means you'll have a lively garden in no time. Plus, it comes with a sturdy base that includes 3 ground stakes, so you can trust it won't tip over easily. It's also easy to clean, allowing for quick water changes, essential for keeping birds healthy. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 446 reviews, it's clear many users appreciate its durability. Now, some people complained about the color fading over time. Here's the thing though, if you're in a particularly sunny area, that might be a concern. But for many, the price and design outweigh this potential drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a beautiful addition to your garden that also provides a fun place for birds. Skip this one if you live in an area with extreme weather that might wear it down quickly. Now, if the concern about fading bothered you, the next option is made to last against the elements. Product number 2, Daoni Metal Bird Bath. Next up is the Daoni 35-in Metal Bird Bath, which really stands out with its vintage design and sturdy build. At just $23.99, it's a steal, and its antique bronze finish gives a classic look to any garden. If you want a long-lasting, stable option without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. So why does this matter for you? The upgraded 5-pronged base provides extra stability, ensuring it stays upright even on windy days. Made from heavy-duty iron, this bird bath can withstand the elements without rusting, perfect for those who live in rainy areas. Its bowl has a generous capacity of 4.52 liters, meaning less frequent refills, and if you add a solar fountain, it can create a delightful atmosphere. Plus, with over 2,400 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many buyers appreciate how easy it is to clean and maintain. However, some users mentioned that the assembly could be tricky. I'll be real with you, if you're not very handy, that might be a concern. But if you take your time, it's definitely manageable. This is ideal for anyone looking for a stylish yet functional bird bath that won't topple over easily. Skip this if you prefer a more decorative style over practicality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller spaces. Product number 3, OUISJYER Small Metal Bird Bath. If you need something smaller, check out the OUISJYER Small Metal Bird Bath. Priced at just $13.99, it's perfect for gardens with limited space. It caught my attention with its simple, vintage design that's both charming and efficient. If you want a functional yet stylish piece without spending a ton, this is a great find. This bird bath is 10 inches in diameter and 30 inches tall, making it ideal for small birds. Its durable metal construction means it won't rust easily, which is a huge plus for those living in wet climates. It's designed for easy cleaning, so you can keep it fresh for your feathered friends without a hassle. With 2,100 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, this product has plenty of happy users who find it a practical addition to their gardens. Some buyers noted that the bowl may be too shallow for larger birds. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly attracting smaller species, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective way to attract birds without taking up too much space. Skip this one if you're hoping to attract larger birds or need a more substantial feature in your garden. Now, if you want something that can handle larger birds as well, the next product is a great option. Product number 4, VIVOHOME Bird Bath. The VIVOHOME Bird Bath is another fantastic choice, priced at $39.89, and it brings durability to the forefront. It features a beautiful vintage bronze coating that doesn't just look great but also withstands the elements. If you're serious about attracting birds and want something that lasts, this one is worth considering. The generous 20-inch bowl is not only spacious, but also has grip holes that help birds perch safely. Plus, with a 15-inch wide base and optional fillable support pole, it stands steady even during windy conditions. The ease of cleaning is a huge benefit here, as you can simply twist off the bowl for quick water changes. With 18,400 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, many users swear by its long-lasting performance. Now, a few users mentioned that the assembly process could be a bit time-consuming. But honestly, if you follow the instructions carefully, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable and functional bird bath that really stands out. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option that you can easily move around. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you want something even more budget-friendly with great features, the final product on our list might catch your eye. Product number 5, OUIS JYR3 Deep Metal Bird Bath. Finally, we have the OUIS JYR3 Deep Metal Bird Bath, which is a great option at $35.99. This one is designed for those who want a deeper bowl for their feathered friends. If you're looking for a balance between style and functionality, this is a solid pick. With a 13-inch diameter and a depth of 3 inches, this bird bath allows birds to comfortably bathe and drink. Made from high-quality metal with a protective coating, it's built to resist rust, ensuring it lasts longer than many plastic options. Plus, it's easy to clean and assemble, which is super important for maintaining hygiene in your garden. It has a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,000 reviews, proving that users appreciate its practical design. However, some users mention that the height might be too tall for smaller birds. Here's the thing, if you have a mix of bird sizes visiting your yard, this might not be an issue. But if you mainly attract little ones, just be cautious. This is perfect for you if you want a deeper bird bath that adds an elegant touch to your garden. Skip this if you're mainly interested in attracting small birds that may struggle with the height. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap it up. To sum it all up, we've looked at the stylish backyard expressions, the sturdy DAOME, the compact OUIS JYR, the durable VIVOHOME, and the elegant OUIS JYR Deep Bath. Each has its strengths, so consider your garden's needs and your budget to choose the best fit. Happy birdwatching!